Hey guys, Miko Drifter here. Welcome to a video on my Navara. There's a Gemini there. I think there's a video at the start of my channel on that one, but I do plan on doing more with that. Today we are going with a new hard pipe here. So make sure you watch. So we're going to install probably just the top part of the cooler piping today, and I'll get to the rest another day. So pretty much we're going to get rid of this and whatever the heck this is and replace it for a hard pipe. So this is a 2012 Navara and it's got the 140 kilowatt motor, so the turbo diesel, and what happens is they expand a bit. Maybe this model not so much with these, they might have tried to remedy it, but yeah, I thought why not, may as well. This seems like a little bit of a restriction as well, so I'll get into it. Just with this model, it has the spring clips, so this one's easy, so these are easy, but to remove this from here and to remove this pipe from the hard pipe down there, also very difficult. Alright guys, so I'm going to jump right in. I've already undone this one, so all I'm going to be showing you is how to release this spring clip. But there's just this black clip. There's 3 little prongs, 2 on the top, 1 on the bottom. But yeah, you just need to get your screwdriver into the top of the black clip and just get behind the spring without damaging the plastic. You just pull it out like that and just push down. I don't know how much of this you can see, but just push down so it's holding there, or you can get something in and to jam inside this. Down. And now that's wedging the other side of the spring open. So we do the other side, same thing, pull it down, close that out. You just have to pull out the bottom of the spring and then it all should just come out together. So simple as that. I've actually undone the other one. So yeah, it's literally, that's all it is. Just the springs, 1 at the bottom, and then the 2 inside the black plastic. So that's off now. So what we're left with now is this little stupid muffler. I've already taken out the 2 10mm here, and these 2 clamps are 7mm. So let's just pull that off from the turbo. There we go. So there's Spoolie Boy in there. Hello Spoolie Boy. I'm also going to be replacing this pipe. We'll be getting down where the intercooler is, pulling the grill off and everything, and I'll replace the bottom pipe. Also getting a K&N air filter for here, panel filter, and I've also removed the muffler, the internal muffler on the airbox as well, so for that better induction noise. To me this looks like quite a bit of a restriction, maybe some sort of muffler. So pretty much just sorted out the new pipe. Yeah, so I'm going to install that one now. That will get installed at some stage too. Alright guys, so for me I found the easiest way to put the rubber reducer onto the hard pipe down the bottom first, and then pretty much onto the turbo we go first. There we go, and then slide her down into the bottom pipe. You might need just a flat blade just to help him in. There we go. It's bloody as simple as that, guys. Alright, so I'm going to tighten this up. I'm going to go for a drive. We'll see how it sounds. Hey guys, we're now in the car. I'm going to go for a bit of a drive. I just installed this new stereo. I've got a lapel mic hooked up under the bonnet, and let's have a listen.